Ooh, McIntyre, if you've made it this far, you are on your 6-8 challenge. All right, if you've made it this far, I hope that means that you've at least played a few other songs, maybe our medium difficulty or our challenging song before you got up to this 6-8 song. If you're doing this one for the first time, you might want to go back and take a look at some of those other songs that came first. But if you're here, probably means you want to learn just a little bit about 6-8 time and be able to rock out to the song Carol of the Bells. I know it's not Christmas time, but I love Carol of the Bells, and it's so much fun. So before we get to 6-8 time, let's just talk about 4/4 and review that for just a second. I think it'll help us to be able to compare 6-8 to 4/4. So in our 4/4 time, if we take just simple 4 quarter notes, this is one measure here. So we have do, 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 do. Say it with me. Ready, go. Do, 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 do. We've seen that 1,000 times. Nice and easy. So if we take a look at our time signature here, this top number reminds us that we need to have 4 beats in the measure. So knowing that a quarter note gets 1 beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 4 beats in the measure. And this bottom, the bottom number tells us which note gets the count. So 4 means that our quarter note gets the count, and there are 4 beats in the measure. So this is one measure of 4/4 time. Now, if we're going to switch over to 6/8 time, I love 6/8 time. We spent a lot of time in 4/4. In fact, so much time, in fact, that composers and people who have done music for a really, really long time have actually called it common time. It's so common in the music that we listen to that sometimes it's referred to as common time. Now in 6/8, we start off knowing that that 6 tells us that there are 6 beats in the measure. So 4 like before, but then 2 more. Count it, make sure I did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But right now this is wrong because I'm still pretending that I'm back up here in 4/4 time, and I'm not, because that 8 is not the same as a 4. So that 8th note, or that 8 tells us that the 8th note is going to get the beat. So this is kind of what an 8th note looks like. Normally we don't see 8th notes with their flags. We usually see 8th notes with a bar across the top. And I think that actually makes it a little easier to read. So let me write this again. And we're going to do usually in 6/8, we connect groups of 3. We'll talk about that in a minute. So there's one measure of 6/8. This is really common. That's a very common rhythm that we would see in 6/8. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it shows us that we have 6 beats in the measure, and that the 8th note gets the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, a really other common rhythm that we would see in 6/8 time is this. We're going to take all of that and we're going to make it go down into a note and put it all together in a note that goes slower. So we can't just have fast notes all the time. That'd be boring. So this is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Except they go slow. Let's start up here. Let's clap these together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down here, I want to challenge you to still be thinking these numbers, but we're only going to tap on the notes. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now let's talk about some of the rhythms that we might see in our piece here. So we're going to see this rhythm. Don't let all these dots freak you out here. Nice and easy. We still have 1, 2, 3. Now we have a rest. 4, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that together. We're going to tap it out on the table. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. And then let's try this rhythm. Let's count out our beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, ba, 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 or 4, 5, 6. Just tap it on the table. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, bum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Nicely done. Last rhythm that we're going to go over that I hope helps you out with this song is just bum, 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 bum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ladies and gentlemen, I love 6/8 time. Just a little break from the ordinary, feels just a little bit different. It feels just a little bit different, rather. I hope you have a great time with your 6/8. If this is scary to you, don't let it scare you. Go ahead and click on that next video, The Carol of the Bells. Play along with this gentleman. You will be fine. It will make more sense, I think, when you actually see this with the video. Just a little background to try to help you out and understand 6/8 time. I hope you're doing great things with all of your virtual work, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have a great day, great week, and I look forward to being back with you in another virtual music class. Take it easy.